Okay, people, it's your man Rajay back at you again with another quick one. Let me show you how I put my engines up for the winter, or if I'm just storing them, period. Just done deal, like I flip engines all the time, so I might not run an engine for another year. You know what I mean? Not that anything wrong with it, just I flip through them like that. So what I do is, first out the bat, I clean the engine up. I usually use some kind of like foam degreaser or something like that. Wipe it all off, cap everything out, blow it all off. That way I get the dirt out the fins, everything. Grease, anything that's around that I get off. Next, take your glow plug out. Once you know your engine's dry and clean, take the glow plug out. And then I just drop some after run oil. Zoom me down. Me, I use 3-in-1. You can use whatever aftermarket oil you like. I always use 3-in-1. It always works for me, no problem. So you use whatever you like. All right. So a couple drops in the head where the glow plug was at. Not a lot. Boom. And then I usually take where the carb at. Zoom down. All right. I'll pull the slide open. A couple drops in there. Then I close the slide and put a drop or two on the slide. That way the slide. And then I work the slide back and forth. That way that thing getting all lubed up. Run that through. Just until it gets to the compression stroke. You don't want to try to get it all the way through. You just want it when it gets to top dead center, then I bring it back. Just to, get that oil sloshed in there a little bit. Okay. Then I take the back and I put the piston at bottom dead center. Okay. Drop or two in there in the exhaust. Okay. Then I bring it up to where it's at top dead center, so I can get a little oil on the piston, drop or two on the piston. Then I get the sloshing again. You see that? You can hear that compression. All right, boom. Then I put the engine at bottom dead center. Okay, bottom dead center. And then you put your caps on. These caps usually come with your when you buy an engine. You usually get caps with them. You always save them. Carburetor, exhaust, and also your fuel nipple. These caps right here are the ones off the MIP tools. Usually if you buy an MIP set, it comes with little black caps. They work great for covering up your fuel nipple. But if you're inclined, because I know some of y'all like sleeping with y'all MIP tools, so you probably don't want to use that. Let's get you some fuel holes, a little bit of fuel tubing, put a screw on the end of it, see that? And then boom. And also use that, all right? That's it. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Boom. Then put my glow plug back in. That's it. This bad boy is ready for storage. Shame, but she is. Alright? So, that's another quick one for you. This your man, Rajay 111. See you on the next one. Peace.